Guys, this is the access point from upstairs. This is where we'd be traveling. New equipment sits back here. Currently got a 2-stage, 80% at 110,000 BTUs. We're gonna need, we already have a bottom box. That filter should be bigger. Should be 20 by 25, so if you could fix that, it'd be great. You're gonna need a new filter, obviously. Need a switch on the side of the furnace, new gas shutoff. If we do go to 90%, I see there's a possible route here that goes to the left side of the house. On the other side, there's a possible opening there. You would have to either go under the humidifier or try to go above it and lower the line set a little bit. Oh, whatever you guys think if we decide to go that route. We do have access. On all sides.